Mapping the Way, Project Planning and Scheduling. Workshop overview narrated by C. Alex Morris, founder of Loc Learn LLC. The most challenging phase during the project management lifecycle just may be planning and scheduling. Planning is challenged because of limited information, such as unclear scope, poor or missing task and duration estimates, and limited access to subject matter experts. It is truly a collaborative effort that requires full participation from all involved, the project manager, the project team and stakeholders, partners, and sponsors. If you have filled the role of project manager, either accidentally or by profession, you understand that planning and building a realistic schedule is often hindered due to expectations and assumptions, such as planning is expected to take less time because the importance of allowing adequate time for planning is just not valued by the organization. A project end date is mandated before activity estimates and resource availability are determined. Or a schedule and estimated completion date is expected before the full scope is understood. Depending on the organization structure, usually a project manager must work within the constraints of these expectations and assumptions. So if that's the case, what is in the project manager's control? A project manager can gain more influence by increasing their planning and scheduling proficiency. This includes learning best practices and efficient ways to work within defined constraints. By doing so, you increase your expertise in these areas. You will be better prepared to challenge the constraints and present reasonable alternatives. And you will build a toolkit that will enable you to apply these skills to all projects, work or personal. To support your efforts to improve, Loc Learn LLC offers Mapping the Way, Planning and Scheduling Projects, a 2-day instructor-led, highly interactive development workshop. Workshops are conducted throughout the Seattle, Washington metropolitan area. Please note, this workshop does require a basic understanding of project management, equivalent to either attending the Get It Done, Learn How to Apply Project Management 3-day workshop, or at least 6 months hands-on experience managing projects. This 2-day comprehensive workshop teaches participants how to define and create a work breakdown structure, identify and understand task relationships, estimate task durations and determine project durations, construct a network diagram, calculate the critical path of a project, use the PERT to create estimates, plan for risk, create a communication plan, effectively allocate project resources, and update and monitor the project schedule. What is Loc Learn LLC? Loc Learn LLC specializes in developing professional-level core competency skills. What we provide is highly interactive and collaborative instructor-led workshops that lock in on fundamental analysis skills such as problem solving and root cause determination, thinking skills such as critical, creative, and systems thinking, and solutions implementation skills, otherwise known as project management. These are skills that every professional should strengthen. However, this is not certification training. Certification training teaches topics specific to passing a certification test. No matter your line of work, developing and strengthening these competencies will open opportunities for career advancement and personal growth. So why instructor-led opposed to e-learning? E-learning is an ideal method when used in a blended training approach, teaching less complicated topics, and sharing information with large and dispersed audiences. However, instructor-led training, and particularly highly interactive and collaborative training, provides the in-depth focus, attention, support, and application time required for adults to retain learning and immediately apply it to real-world situations. Loc Learn LLC's mission is for participants leaving our workshops to feel energized, excited about what they've learned, and confident that they can immediately apply their learning. Our workshops are limited to 12 to 16 participants, and instruction is based on our framework equation, assess plus learn equal apply. Our goal is expressed in our motto, lock in on your goals and learn how to achieve them. Loc Learn LLC's workshops are facilitated and based upon our framework equation, assess plus learn equal apply. These 3 components create a workshop environment that stimulates participants' interest, understanding of new material, and retention of new skills learned. Assess consists of pre-work assignments and reflection exercises. Learn consists of lecture, exercises, and group discussion. And apply consists of pop quizzes, case study review, games, and role-playing. Individuals who will benefit from the workshop are professionals needing to improve their project management planning and scheduling skills in order to receive a raise or promotion. Individuals who are looking to transition to a new career and need to develop or improve their project management planning and scheduling skills. And individuals just entering or re-entering the workforce and need to ensure they have the core competencies to compete and shine. In this presentation, you were introduced to the importance of improving project planning and scheduling skills. You were made aware of Loc Learn LLC's competency building workshop, Mapping the Way, Project Planning and Scheduling. You were also introduced to Loc Learn LLC's training approach and mission. So what are the next steps to begin your journey to accomplishing your goals? Visit locandlearnllc.com for workshop schedule and pricing, register for workshop, learn about other workshops and development tools such as our free mentoring advice video series, and learn about our Study Buddy animated flashcard e-learning series for PMP exam preparation.